It is time to create with Quimby. This morning we have the perfect DIY project for those looking to give a very clear holiday message.
And all of you are in need of some, all you need really are some wooden blocks to get started. Yes, all right. Well, we want to welcome back our DIY expert, Shannon Quimby, to show us how to do this. Good morning, Shannon. Good to see you.
Good morning, ladies. How are you?
We're great.
Good.
We're great.
How about yourself?
This looks adorable.
I know. I'm doing well. Thank you very much. It is adorable, and it's also really easy to do. So let's get cracking, okay?
Okay. All right.
All right. So I always have a lot of scrap leftover pieces of wood, and even if you don't, I bet you if you walk around the block, you can find everybody that does, because with all the home improvements, people have a lot of leftover scrap lumber. So this is this really cool little thing that I did. It's just block letters. I originally wanted to spell Happy Halloween.
Oh, that's long.
And then you realized you'd have to bother too many neighbors for all of the scrap wood, right?
Yeah. And then I don't know about you, but I don't have a fireplace mantle that's like really long.
Really long. Yes.
Yeah. So I thought, well, why not? Let's just do boo. And so I wanted to start with some block letters, and this is leftover wood that I had. This is a 4x4. But when you measure, you're going to find out that it's really not 4 inches by 4 inches. It's 3 3/4. So when you measure it around, when you cut the wood, if you have other pieces of wood that are larger than a 4x4 and you want to cut it down, make sure you measure, okay?
Okay.
So you just measure the whole thing around and you cut it. Or if you don't have, Jenny, I know you were excited because you had the chop saw.
Yes.
You, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Emily, you're like, I don't know about that.
No, actually, I got a jigsaw. I've been doing some DIY stuff around the house, so I'm working on it.
I love it. A little bit of me is rubbing off on you. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, then you don't need me anymore.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
no, we still need you, because
inspiration.
I would cut it and then go and now what? So.
Now what do I do? Yes.
All right. So we cut it, and then the edges are a little frayed. You don't want to get splinters. So then you just take a piece of sandpaper and you just go around all the edges like so.
Okay. Nice.
Okay? Yeah. All right. Easy peasy. Now, I just discovered these. They're called paint sticks, and I got them at Home Depot, Home Office, and I thought, well, I'll give them a shot, and they're really awesome. And they're so. All I did is it's literally like a lipstick crayon.
Okay.
But it's paint.
Okay.
Yeah. And so it's really, really simple. I just put the block down, and I'm just gonna write the letter B on the block. Boom.
Okay. So you'd have to have good bubble writing skills, correct?
Or you can get a stencil.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
I was waiting for the stencil or the sticker. You've always got the trick.
The stencil or the sticker. You know, the one thing that I like about these paint sticks is that they're literally it's like a crayon. And so when I'm filling in the bubble letter, there's going to be a little bit of the grain that shows through. So I thought, versus say paint, it's going to absorb into it. But then I just take my finger and I rub into the grooves, and then I found out that gets rid of the grain that's showing through, and your letter gets to be really solid.
Okay, so just don't get a manicure before you do this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my lifestyle.
Yeah. Okay, so then is that it?
So the fun thing about this project is that look, I'm gonna wipe it off on another piece of wood here. Is that notice I use the blocks, so I'll bring them in here like this. So when Halloween is over, I know let's.
Oh, look at that.
Into something else, right? So then we've got Thanksgiving. Oh, I know, and it keeps on giving. Let's go to Joy.
Oh, look at you. This This is like 3 for 1, all the holidays.
Love it. Okay.
Such a good idea.
Well, Shannon, thank you so much for showing us that very fun project, sponsored by Parr Lumber, of course. And for the full list of materials and instructions, we'll put all of it on coin.com. Hope she has a good morning.
Yeah.